Section 1. Let me instruct how to install and operate the freeze dryer of Ilshinbiobase. First of all, in order to install vacuum pump, take off the cover by using screwdriver. Then connect vacuum pump hose to freeze dryer. Inspect vacuum oil level and color by inspection window of vacuum pump. Install exhaust filter housing on vacuum pump, then locate pump inside of freeze dryer. Connect vacuum pump hose to freeze dryer and vacuum pump. Then connect power cable to consent of freeze dryer and turn vacuum pump switch on. Cover the panel back in position. Connect main power. Check the inlet voltage displayed on touchscreen. Slightly apply vacuum grease on lid of cold trap chamber, both sides of gasket and lid of drying chamber. Install drying chamber on freeze dryer and make sure all valves are closed position. Push run switch to start freeze dryer and check condenser temperature reaches below -80°C around 30 minutes. Without loading the sample, when condenser temperature reaches -80°C, push vacuum button and check if vacuum level reaches lower than 20 ml around 30 minutes. After verifying cooling temperature and vacuum level, connect pre-frozen flask with valve and open the valve slowly. Now freeze drying process begins. Section 2. When process is complete, close the valve and remove flask from the valve and collect dried samples. Stop the vacuum pump. Push vacuum button again to release vacuum and push freeze button to stop refrigeration. After vacuum is released, take out drying chamber from the machine. Push defrost button to start defrosting. Drain water and clean the remaining moisture. Turn the power off. Section 3. Remove the drying chamber and cover the condenser chamber by lid of drying chamber. When vacuum has no problem, it means pump is working fine and all connections are okay. Even after lid covering, vacuum still has problem. Check the all connection points through the line of vacuum. Even though vacuum works okay, but display is still 999 mT, it means vacuum sensor must be defect. Please consult with supplier for this case.